Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1905 at Courtyard Penang. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. Right there we have the master light switch, the bathroom light switch, a do not disturb switch, as well as the power switch for the room. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here we have a place to put luggage with storage below. Here we have a wardrobe with drawers below, place to hang items on above, and more storage right above with a torchlight right there. On this side we have the laundry stuff down below with a couple of bedroom slippers, ironing board, iron, hangers, a bathrobe, and opposite the wardrobe area we have a sliding door that leads into the bathroom. Here we have the toilet with the handheld bidet, toilet paper, another toilet paper behind that cover. We have hooks right there and right there. We have a huge mirror in front of the sink. Hello. A shaving mirror off to the left. And below the shaving mirror we have the light switch for the ring light on the shaving mirror and a power outlet. And to the left of the sink we have a couple of glasses, a box of tissues, the sink is in the middle. Here we have the bar soap and towels right there. And in this drawer we have all the bathroom amenities. We have towels below with a bin right there. And here we have the hairdryer. Here we have the bath mat. And here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. Next to the handheld shower, we have all the usual shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. Okay, so here we have empty drawers. Right at the bottom we have the kettle. Here we have a fridge which is empty, so you can store your own items in there. Here we have a couple of glasses, a couple of mugs, all the tea and coffee making stuff, a couple of bottles of water. We have a power outlet right there. A note about the minibar and storage right above. Here we have a flat screen Samsung TV with a bit of surface storage below it. And this is a twin bedroom, so we have the bed right there and another bed right there with the bedside table in the middle. We have the in-room telephone, a clock, all the writing materials, notes from the hotel with a pillow menu. There we have all the light switches together with a power outlet and two USB-A ports. Lights right above. And we have a light strip behind the headboard. Here we have the climate control panel with a power outlet below. And down there we have the bin. It is sort of like a bin with two sides, so one is for the recyclable materials, one is for regular waste. Here we have the in-room dining menu and the TV remote with the TV guide below the remote. Here we have a table with a welcome message from the hotel, together with welcome snacks. Here we have the chair for the table. We have another chair right here. This one's more of an armchair with a table next to it and a standing light right there. As for the view, we get the, I believe that's the service apartment next to the hotel. And we can see all the surrounding buildings, the road in front of the hotel, the swimming pool for the hotel, and the area around the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1905 at Courtyard Penang. Thanks for watching and goodbye.